The Beechcraft King Air 360 was announced in August 2020 and was introduced as the newest development of the 350. In many ways, the 360 has identical specifications to the 350 model. However, the 360 offers interior design improvements along with an upgraded cockpit to reduce pilot workload. Here is everything you need to know about the Beechcraft King Air 360. Stay with us till the end to learn more. Beechcraft claimed that the King Air 360 is far more capable than its single-engine rivals. This King Air's cabin rivals that of many medium jets and includes newly redesigned, locally produced cabin seats in a variety of tempting flavors. The aircraft features what Beechcraft call soundproof technology. In fact, the 360 comes standard with 85 tuned absorbers working behind the scenes, sucking in all that annoying noise energy. The benefit is that conversations are far easier thanks to generous physical soundproofing and smart noise-canceling technology. This means that passengers can have a conversation without needing to raise their voice. Furthermore, Beechcraft also developed a higher cabin pressure system in order to result in a lower overall cabin altitude. Reshaped cabinetry, pinhole lighting, upgraded seat designs, and low-profile air and light adjusters also increase passenger comfort. Adding to the cabin's rich feel, the cabinets are now made of real wood veneer and tilt inward near the top to give passengers just a little more room as they walk through the cabin. The King Air 360 includes 11 seats, 2 in the cockpit, 8 in the cabin, and 1 belted potty seat. The cabin of the airplane features executive seating, fold-out tables, USB charging, and power outlets, and is outfitted with LED lighting, including pinhole accents that softly illuminate the lower sidewalls, as well as the floor, cup holders, and USB plugs. The 360 now offers dual-zone climate controls, one for the cockpit and another for the cabin. These features make the cabin a combination of the ideal mobile boardroom and family room. This, combined with the low cabin altitude of just 5,960 feet or 1,816 meters when at an altitude 27,000 feet or 8,230 meters, makes the cabin a very relaxing place to be. The interior is of a decent size, offering passengers ample head and shoulder room throughout. The seats are arranged in a double club configuration and made from high-quality leather. Naturally, passengers will also find a built-in refreshment center, illuminated cup holders, and a private lavatory in the rear of the aircraft. The aircraft can also be equipped with Wi-Fi to keep you always connected. The King Air 360 cockpit is beautiful in its simplicity. The aircraft is equipped with ProLine Fusion avionics. This intuitive touchscreen flight deck simplifies how pilots aviate, navigate, and communicate. Surely the star of the King Air 360 is the standard equipment ISNS ThrustSense full regime auto throttle that controls the power levers with just a touch of the button on the right power lever. Features such as the ISNS ThrustSense auto throttle help to reduce pilot workload, thanks to being able to deliver precise control for optimized power output. When engaged, the auto throttle automatically provides full control of the engine power lever. The ThrustSense envelope protection is active during takeoff, climb, and go-around should an engine experience a sudden reduction in power, as well as helping the pilot avoid the region near minimum controllable airspeed. It's smart enough to turn on the igniters and rudder boost when needed and feather the prop on a bad engine, usually before the pilot even recognizes what might be happening. It also prevents the pilot from over-torquing or over-temping the engines. In addition to replacing those 3 analog pressurization dials beneath the throttle quadrant, the new automatic digital pressurization system is based on the one in the Cessna Citation CJ series and automatically schedules cabin pressure on both climb and descent, increasing passenger comfort and further reducing pilot workload. The automatic system eliminates the pressurization bumps common to older King Airs if the pilot didn't keep up with the system, especially in the descent. Cabin pressurization limits have increased from 6.5 to 6.8 psi. At 35,000 feet or 10.6 kilometers, the cabin hovers around 9,600 feet or 2,900 meters. The RVSM-approved King Air 360's sweet flying spot is between FL 280 and FL 310. At FL 300, the 360 will burn 300 pounds per side and move along at 300 knots. Furthermore, the Collins Aerospace ProLine Fusion interface simplifies the setup of flight displays. Flight information can be quickly organized with fingertip touches and swipes. The King Air was always designed to be flown by a single pilot, and most customers operate it that way. Up front, the Collins Aerospace Fusion avionics support that goal by bringing the Collins team's airline experience to the flight deck, with 3 14-inch touchscreens that include synthetic vision, TCAS2, dual FMS, and optional dual GPS. The touchscreens allow the pilot to drag icons all over for graphical solutions, such as updating flight plans and diverting around any weather highlighted with the new multi-scan weather radar. The King Air 360 is powered by 2 Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A 608 engines. Each engine is capable of producing 1,050 shaft horsepower. The propellers are manufactured by Hartzell and feature 4 aluminum blades, featuring constant speed and auto feathering. The 360 can take off from a runway that is just 3,300 feet or 1,000 meters and land in 2,692 feet or 820 meters. Furthermore, the aircraft is capable of cruising for a maximum distance of 1,806 nautical miles, which is 2,078 miles or 3,345 kilometers, without needing to refuel. When in the cruise, the aircraft can fly at a maximum cruising speed of 312 knots at a maximum altitude of 35,000 feet or 10,670 meters. With a useful load of 1,550 pounds or 700 kilograms, flight planning a King Air 360 is pretty simple. Fill the fuel tanks and all the seats, and with a 3,300 foot or 1,000 meter balanced field length runway nearby, trips of 1,500 nautical miles are a snap. The estimated cost per hour to charter a King Air 360 is $3,000. However, due to the newness of the aircraft, it is hard to find one available to charter at the moment. Charter prices will vary depending on factors such as availability, fuel prices, ground fees, and more. Textron Aviation quotes direct operating costs at $1,100 per hour based on flying 300 hours annually. List price on a King Air 360 is $8.39 million, a $640,000 rise from the 2020 King Air 350. Each purchase also includes training for 1 pilot and 1 maintenance technician. Unfortunately, there are no pre-owned examples on the market due to the newness of the aircraft. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Here are 2 videos you can watch next. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.